Hi, Sarah here with Valley City Barnes County Public Library, and today's craft that I have is a zoo animal magnet. I chose to do the hippo for the demonstration. The kit comes with a sheet with instructions on it. It'll come with the part that'll be the face parts, the magnet and strip that you'll put on the magnet, and it even comes with googly eyes. And who doesn't love googly eyes? Okay, so to start, like I said, I have the hippo, and the end with the two hearts is going to be facing up because the hearts act as the ears. So I'm just going to take out the mouth portion. And then looking at the picture, it looks like these two gray hearts are going to be the nostrils. So I'll put those where the nostrils would go. So something like this so far. And then I have this small white foam piece that has the two teeth. So I'll put the teeth on. Okay. So there he is with some teeth. And then this one came with some hearts. So the bigger hearts, like this, are going to be put up in the ear section. And then the smaller hearts are going to be the insides of the nostrils. Okay. Then the backs of the googly eyes are going to be a little tough to get off just because they are so small, but I promise you'll get them off. So I'm just taking the googly eyes and attaching them to the top. And then I have my magnet, and the side with the two lines on it, I'm going to apply some adhesive to. And then I'll peel off the other side of that adhesive tape. Flip over my magnet, stick it on the back, kind of just press down gently. And then, just like that, you have a cute zoo animal magnet. Look Look how cute this hippo is. Now we only have a few craft kits left, so if you would like one, please call us at 845-3821 and we will get you craft kits if we have the amount available. Again, we only have a limited number of craft kits, so if you would like one, please give us a call at 845-3821 so we can get a kit for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. And I hope to see you next month, which is already March. See you then. Bye.